sketchy little. So anyways, decided to come out on a little ride today. Easter ride. You know who it is? So your boy's got my back. Rubber down, brother, as he says. Let's just see what we got going on up here. See, a lot of the guys around here like to go riding their ATVs, and they just end up like, but they love to go mudding. Those boys love to get in the mud. Wrestling in the mud like men do.
They are just niños trying to release their wiggles.
Personally, never tried it. Don't know if it's my taste. However, to each their own, I suppose. Oh, dude, this would be such a fun trail if it wasn't so wet and sandy. Like, I just keep on sinking down into the trail every time. Okay, we'll come back there to that one. That one looks pretty sweet. Whoa. Okay. Very cool. Get some pictures here. You know how it is. Prop her up so that she does not fall off into a cliff. Hell yeah. Where's my phone? Oh, shoot. Okay, let's turn it off. Oh, good thing my brake lever was already broken. That would have been bad. Okay, you know what? Maybe no pictures. Maybe that's a sign. All right? That's a sign that we go back to where we were. Man, I wish I had the reverse on this bike still. Now, if you're wondering, Noah, doesn't the Ultra B have reverse? You'd be correct. It does. Noah, doesn't that mean your Ultra B also has reverse? You'd be correct. But it doesn't work. Smashed out the button. So, no reverse for this guy. And honestly, it's been good. You know, forces me to learn how to do those like pivot turns a little bit better. Because I couldn't do them before. Now I can like kind of do them sometimes. But in situations like that, it would just be nice to have the option to back myself out. Oh. Ugh. Oh, I need to get handguards again, dude. Okay. This trail looks cool. What the devil? Okay. I like that. I'm a little bit skeptical on these trails, to be honest, because I don't know if people are wild and they're like private property, because there's no signs. Nobody puts up signs anywhere. Or if they do, they're like super hard to read. But yeah, stuff like that, right? Like, I feel like there's got to be more out here, you know? Like, that can't be the only trail. Okay, should we go back this way and see if we can try to find another one or something? Oh, oh. Ooh, sandy. Should we see what it's like without traction control? Oh, more fun. Definitely more fun. Gosh, Noah, don't be such a weenie. Excuse me, where are the trails at, sir? Oh, thought I'd pay a premium to live in this province. You'd think there'd be a couple extra trails for me to enjoy the views. Better than nothing, I guess. Ooh. No, that's a lot of bushwhacking, and I am not in the mood for any bushwhacking today. Oh, no. You know how I said I was trying to get better at those? I'm still trying to get better at those. I suck so bad at pivot turn, man. Well, this is rough. Oh, I don't want to pop a tire either. Oh, what the? Oh, so it's been a while. Okay, change of plans. I found this little shoot off, except it looks a little bit more, ran through. Oh, that's a vulgar way of thinking about a trail. So we'll see where it goes. And look at that, it leads nowhere. Is this one over here? Oh, sneaky. They thought they could get away from me. Maybe they could. That wasn't a trail. See what I'm saying? There's like elephant trails. Definition? Kind of all through here, but I can't tell if they're from people or animals. Let's see this. Oh wait, turn off traction control. Oh, that was fun. Let's see. Oh yeah. Sketchy little road gap there, little bridge. Oh my gosh. I would not be surprised if I get a flat from that. Ow, I got dirt in my eye. Oh, it's all going so wrong. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, I mean, that's crazy it didn't pop, but okay. But the real puncture test is yet to come. Because this. That, okay. But I'm thinking this isn't gonna work, but whatever. Future Noah, draw a line here. What am I doing again? Okay, I've forgotten. No, that's it. Yes,
Go,
Sarah.
Kylie, go.
Let's go.
Good job, Kylie. You're doing
Let's go.
amazing, sweetie.
Over. Shee! Say less. Okay. Hot damn, I'm good. Or the bike's just pretty good. Oh. Oh. Ouchie. All right. Oh, dude, I need to get some hand guards back, man. Ow! These little tree things that stick out. Whip your hands. Oh. Dude, I cannot get a puncture this far out. I do not have a kit on me or anything. Whoa. Whoa. I'm not trying to get all muddy like that. But in terms of some Instagram worthy pics, I mean, come on. How much better does that get?